Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we are testing this rocket espresso machine. The pressure stat wasn't working, and also it's partially clogged with calcium. Kind of hard to see, but also the tube going to the pressure stat was clogged. And so we cleared that out, and now the machine's working great. So you can see we have good pressure, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. I think I didn't have enough coffee on that one. That's why it came out fast and there isn't a lot of crema. But we're going to go with it. And then so thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.